go to Play Store. You can go to the Play Store, all right? Go to Play Store and you can download Smart Recorder. Yes, you can download Smart Recorder. When you download it, just click on Open. All right, so I will go to my phone now. This is the Smart Recorder. Right from my phone here, I can decide to play music. All right, so I will play music. Okay, so I'm playing music from this same device. All right, so I will go to the Smart Recorder and I can click on record. So you can see that. So it's recording as it's playing the music. So instead of you getting two devices,